Hey people, as of today we are reviewing this thing known as it's the Pintola brown rice cakes. It's a Korean speciality. So Anviko, can you tell us how does it taste? Apparently we should have it with peanut butter. Yeah.
Tastes like wheat.
Oh,
Yeah, and it tastes like
puffed rice.
muesli rice grain with a bit of taste plain. Tastes like wheat.
Oh, it just tastes like puffed rice. Puffed rice in this form.
It just tastes like wheat for me.
Oh, like you have a papad?
Rice cakes here.
Yeah, so I'm so glad I have these two little people with me, and you can get this on Amazon for just 165 bucks. It's called brown rice cakes. I got it here in Maritpalli. I'll be leaving it here itself, I think, because and apparently we should have it with peanut butter, or you could have it with honey or something, but it's nice. It's nice as a snack, and it's supposed to be healthy and filling. So this is Pintola brown rice cakes, and it is just 16 whole grain organic brown rice. Yeah, so that's nice. And soon now we will taste Korean spicy chicken flavor noodles, and then
Thanks for watching
and please subscribe. Thank you.